Badminton isn't just a backyard game. It's a fast-paced, skillful sport played worldwide. At its core, badminton is a racket sport where players hit shuttlecock back and forth over a net. The goal is simple. Score points by landing the shuttlecock on your opponent's court or forcing them to make a mistake. That's the meaning of badminton. It is just more than a game. It's a test of speed, skill, and spirit.
Badminton originated from a game called Una that was being played by the British Army officers in India during the 1860s. In 1877, the Badminton Club in England introduced formal rules to the game. The sport took a major leap in 1893 with the formation of the Badminton Association of England, leading to the first official tournament in the All England Open in 1899. These milestones set the stage for the badminton's global work.
So what are the things that we need to play a badminton? First is the badminton racket. It is made usually from carbon material or aluminum. It is used to hit the shuttlecock over the net. And next one is the shuttlecock, or commonly called as birdie. It is a cone-shaped material. The base is made from the rubber, and also this is the pedal. And next one is the net. The net is placed across the court to separate the team players.
Let's talk about the rules and regulation in badminton. In badminton, toss, point, or spinning of the racket determines first serve or choice of side. Players score points by hitting the shuttle over the net into the opponent's court. By serving underhand, following the rule of serving, keeping the shuttle inside the lines, and the first to score 21 points wins the game. Badminton can be played as either singles or doubles. Singles is where there are two players competing against each other. Where in doubles, there are two pairs of players competing against each other while also showcasing their teamwork.
Warm-up is important in badminton because it prepares the body, improves flexibility, boosts performance, and reduces the risk of injury.